Commision figure section part kijing tip namta ki result ki bala pnimi hapo official website jong MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission tigidon kumba South Lee ki result bila pnimi nadu khatar khatlai tarik te yang ne page menta ki kita ki result jong ki post ki bala pnimi phila bandai ri hapo official website mpsc.ac.in ban ui ki ne ki result te kane ka banding kong kadai jong ka post the result of the interview for the post of system engineer in the Meghalaya Public Service Commission September 2023. They interview la conduct 11 June. They get ke result kalai 3 June. They bayo idai Shri Derrickson Dong naka on reserve category maka dan tanggawi post. They kadang tangka on reserve category. They congratulations namta I Derrickson Dong. Kene dia jongka system engineer dan sakawai biang ane ka post kene permit kalai 3 June. Kene kadai result of the interview for the post of inspector of legal metrology under the Director of Legal Metrology Meghalaya September 2023. Kene ki conduct article June ki penmi khalai tarik jong June. Te ki bayo kilong Shri Kiefer Herzberger Khongsit on reserve category. Srimati Stephanie M Nongbri khasajanja bat Shri Magdov R Marak napo garo category lai tali ki post kawai UR kawai khasajanja kawai garo category. Congratulations namta kineru. Te selek keberan kam gitu kibala yo mak kila tip hi ngatrai dan ka artrik jung jun kane pada ka penmi la result kila penmi ka 2 Jun te kidang upload pada ka artrik jung jun. On the result of typing speed test for grade 2 typist promotion scheme in head of department conducted on the 10 June 2024, the following candidate was found to have qualified for placement as grade 2 typist promotion. Ita ilong Shri W Chermang. The second mau dated Shillong 11 June. Tiba kana upload mat article June. And sakawai part kanepde kidai ke apan make article June. The result of the screening test kini ada bantu exam namta kana post soil and water conservation ranger under soil and water conservation department December 2020 held on the 23rd March 2024. Exam ki penlangu R apply terjumlah March is hereby declare. The kini ki roll number kidai ki bala pass the kaneka direct personal interview. Ngawam kini ki number 46 146 149 159 2224 265 269 418 424 524 533 817 842 922 973 1010 but 1064. Yes kan mau ngatrai la tip hi roll number jong ade sa check ada piklam pat check ada klik thau ekne post soil and water conservation ranger. Te kibayu hangne gidan gumba shipo klika klak sauk sang khat nyongot namta personal interview. The personal interview will be held on 10 July 2024 at 10:30 am in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Second mark just download ya ka intimation letter napo ka MPSC website namta kane ka interview. Te kadai shipo trik jong 9 July. Te tangini kijing tip Commision